What if your kitchen garden could replace half your medicine cabinet? Today, I'll show you 5 healing herbs you can easily grow at home. These herbs are simple to care for, packed with health benefits, and will transform your garden into a natural pharmacy. For centuries, people have turned to plants for healing, and that wisdom is ready to be rediscovered. Imagine a world where a single leaf can calm your mind or soothe your stomach. Join me as we explore 5 extraordinary plants and learn how to grow and use them for wellness. The power to nurture your well-being is, quite literally, at your fingertips. Meet mint, a vigorous aromatic healer that thrives almost anywhere. Mint's secret is menthol, a compound in its leaves that acts as a natural decongestant and digestive aid. Crush a leaf, and you'll release its cool, invigorating fragrance, nature's remedy for congestion and upset stomachs. A simple mint tea can ease cramps, reduce bloating, and calm nausea. Growing mint is easy. It loves moist soil and partial sun, but keep it in a pot to prevent it from taking over your garden. Regular harvesting makes it bushier and more productive. Each sprig you pick encourages new growth and more healing power. Mint is a symbol of resilience, soothing, refreshing, and always ready to help. From summer drinks to winter teas, its versatility is unmatched. Sometimes, the most powerful remedies are the ones growing right outside your door. With mint, you have a living, breathing testament to natural wellness. Just reach out, harvest, and enjoy its gifts. Let's move to our next herbal ally. Next is thyme, a humble herb with a powerful history. Thyme's strength comes from thymol, a natural antiseptic and antimicrobial. A thyme tea can loosen phlegm and soothe sore throats, making it a must-have during cold season. It thrives in dry, sunny spots and prefers well-drained soil, perfect for a low-maintenance garden. Thyme's resilience means it needs little care, rewarding you with potent, healing leaves. Infuse honey with thyme for a soothing syrup, or use it in a facial steam for clear skin. Its protective qualities extend from internal health to external care. Growing thyme is like inviting a piece of ancient medicine into your home. Its earthy scent connects you to generations of healers. Minimal fuss, maximum benefit. Thyme is a steadfast guardian in your herbal pharmacy. Let's discover our next plant, the sentinel of memory. Rosemary, the evergreen sentinel, stands for memory and vitality. Its pine-like aroma can sharpen focus and boost alertness. Compounds like carnosic acid protect the brain and support cognitive health. Rosemary also stimulates circulation, easing sore muscles and warming the body. Add a sprig to your bath for a revitalizing soak. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, needing little water. Prune after flowering to keep it compact and healthy. Rosemary is more than a culinary herb. It's a living monument to remembrance and resilience. Whether you're studying or unwinding, rosemary is your garden's mental and physical booster. Let's travel to warmer climates for our next healing herb. Meet lemongrass. Lemongrass, a tropical grass with a fresh, lemony scent, brings cleansing power to your garden. Its key compound, citrol, gives it antibacterial and antifungal properties. Lemongrass tea is a traditional remedy for fevers, encouraging natural cooling through gentle perspiration. It also soothes digestion, easing cramps and indigestion after heavy meals. Lemongrass supports gut health and helps maintain a healthy balance of microflora. Grow it in full sun and moist soil. In cooler climates, keep it in a pot and bring it indoors for winter. Harvest by cutting stalks at the base. The white part is prized for cooking, the leaves for tea. Its uplifting scent is a natural mood booster, clearing mental fog and refreshing the spirit. Lemongrass is a gentle purifier, working from the inside out. Add a touch of the tropics to your healing garden with this versatile plant. Now, let's find tranquility with our final herb. Meet lavender. Lavender, the symbol of peace and calm. Its fragrance, rich in linalool, soothes anxiety and invites restful sleep. Lavender oil interacts with the brain to quiet nerves and reduce restlessness. Place dried flowers by your pillow for a gentle, natural sleep aid. Its essential oil also calms skin, soothing burns, bites, and irritations. Grow lavender in full sun and well-drained, alkaline soil. Avoid overwatering. Prune after flowering for a second bloom and healthy growth. Harvest flower spikes as buds open for the most potent oil. Lavender is a sanctuary in your garden, attracting pollinators and offering a fragrant balm for mind and body. From tea to skin balm, it's the ultimate relaxant. Let's wrap up our journey through nature's pharmacy. 12. Your garden can be your pharmacy. Mint revives, thyme purifies, rosemary sharpens, lemongrass cleanses, and lavender calms. These 5 herbs are easy to grow and packed with healing power, no matter your space. By growing them, you reconnect with ancient wisdom and nurture your own well-being. Start your herbal journey today. Get your hands in the soil and discover the satisfaction of growing your own medicine. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe to Nature's Fix for more natural living tips. Until next time, may your garden and your health flourish.